Believe it or not, a tablespoon of flax seeds holds more fiber than a slice of whole wheat bread. These little seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They're a fantastic addition to your diet, whether you're looking to support heart health, improve digestion, balance your blood sugar, or even boost your skin and hair health. Now that you're aware of the power of these tiny seeds, let's delve into where they come from. Have you ever wondered where flax seeds come from? Here's a glimpse into their journey from field to table. Flax seeds are the product of the beautiful flax plant, which presents us with delicate blue flowers before maturing to bear our coveted seeds. The cultivation of flax is a time-honored tradition, with the plants typically sown in the spring and harvested in the late summer or early fall. The process of harvesting flax seeds is a delicate one. As the plants mature, their color fades from a vibrant green to a golden yellow, signaling that it's time for harvest. The flax plants are then carefully uprooted or cut close to the ground to ensure that none of the precious seeds are lost. This is often carried out in the cool early morning hours to avoid the loss of seeds in the heat of the day. Once harvested, the plants are allowed to dry naturally, a process known as rippling, which prepares them for threshing. Threshing is the step where the seeds are separated from the plant. The dried flax plants are shaken or beaten to release the seeds, a process that requires a delicate balance to avoid damaging the precious cargo. Finally, the flax seeds are cleaned and sorted before they're ready to be packaged and sent off for you to enjoy. This complex journey is a labor of love, ensuring that the small but mighty flax seeds arrive at your table packed full of nutritional goodness. So, next time you sprinkle flax seeds on your oatmeal, remember the journey they've taken to get to your plate. Now that we know where flax seeds come from and their amazing benefits, how can we incorporate them into our daily diet? This versatile superfood can be easily added to your everyday meals. Start your day with a nutritious boost by sprinkling ground flax seeds on your oatmeal or adding them to your smoothie. For lunch and dinner, try mixing them into your salad dressing or use them as a topping for your pasta or rice dishes. They can also be used as an egg substitute in vegan baking or to add a nutty flavor to your favorite baked goods. But here's an important tip. Always grind your flax seeds before consumption. Whole flax seeds might pass through your digestive system undigested, which means you won't reap all their nutritional benefits. So, grind them up and let your body absorb their omega-3 rich goodness. Remember, your body is a temple, and you are what you eat. So, why not add some flax seeds to your diet? Your body will thank you.